In a quiet street there was an old broken street light, and every night the road became dark. People complained but slowly accepted the darkness. A small girl named Sarah lived there, and every night before sleeping she placed a small candle near her window. The light was tiny, but it reached the street. One night a neighbor noticed it. The next night another family lit a candle too. Slowly, house by house, small lights appeared. The dark street started to glow. People felt safer. Kids laughed again and smiles returned. After some days the city fixed the street light and the road became bright again. But everyone remembered that the street did not change because of a big light. First it changed because one small candle refused to give up. Sometimes one small step is enough to wake sleeping hearts, and when one person chooses hope, others find the courage to follow.